The topic of my speech is about cricket match and a bowling technique. During my speech, I will neither coach you how to deliver the magical delivery in cricket, nor I will coach you any else role of the cricket game. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, I love to play cricket from my childhood. I am an all-rounder with equal abilities and skills in batting and fast bowling. My interest in the game increases as I see my elder brother plays cricket almost all the day, even extreme hot days of summer. Another reason which increases my interest was it was the most popular game and played almost everywhere in our community. Watching my interest, one of our neighbor, Usman Bhai, taught me how to bowl with right line and length. But whenever I bowl, my wrist gets stretched. However, my trainer continuously gives instructions to rectify the error in my bowling. He also worked on me to taught me about the technique of reverse swing. This technique was unique technique was invented and mostly practiced by the subcontinent bowlers. Whereas I remember a great legendary bowler, Pakistani bowler Sarfraz Nawaz uses this technique in his bowling. Later on, a pair of two Ws, Waqar Yunus and Wasim Akram, uses this technique in his bowling and succeeded almost every time in getting breakthrough during the matches. After that, this unique technique practiced by most of the bowlers around the cricket world. First time when I got succeeded in delivering this delivery, I was playing a cricket match in my hometown, and most amazingly, the opponent batsman was my trainer. He hardly managed to play the ball and get out. He appreciated me with a big round of applause, appreciated me with very encouraging words which uplift my morale, motivated me to learn more about this technique. By recalling all this, a match come to my mind which we played with red ball and I want to share with you all. It was a foggy morning of the winter season. The foggy weather prolongs almost for the whole day, but it remains for some times during the winter season. The opponent team also belongs to our hometown, but they were more experienced and more skilled than to us. They win the toss and elected to bat first. We clicked out their early batting line of 5 batsmen up at a very small score of only 31 runs. But later on, the 2 batsmen stayed on and keep the scoreboard moving upward. Our captain tried different bowling options in hand, but could not get the breakthrough. In my last over of my bowling spell, when I was trying to deliver the magical delivery, I got succeeded. Hurrah! Yes! I succeeded in delivering the magical delivery. I got the breakthrough. I got the breakthrough of one of the batsmen who stayed since long on the wicket. Actually, the ball was pitched very off stump of the wicket, but due to its quickness, and sharpness and reverse swing. Ball hit the leg stumps of the batsman and passes through the strong defense of the batsman. On the very next delivery, I got another wicket, but this time it was on a bouncy ball. This was the end of my bowling spell, marvelous end of my bowling spell. I made a solid batting overall performance in that match, but unfortunately, we lost the match. But it remains in my memories for many other memorable moments. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, sports activities are very beneficial and put a very positive impact on human bodies. It also increases our social network. It also creates an outing source for us. It also provides a liberty to us to get aside from our daily routine works and tensions. But due to our professional and personal engagements nowadays, we hardly manage to give some time or proper time to these activities. Same is the case is with me. I hardly manage to play cricket on weekends in the winter season. Thank you and over to you.